I'm going to talk about bioethics, which will be a major issue in the coming years because of the rapidly developing technology worldwide. Genetics all began with Charles Darwin and Mendel. Chuck Darwin, the theorist of evolution, also came up with the idea of survival of the fittest, which states that the weak die out and the strongest survive. And Mendel, a monk, played with pea plants and discovered how to trace heredity through those. In 1953, Watson and Crick discovered the double helical model of DNA, which was a major breakthrough and allowed everyone to better understand human DNA. In the 1920s and 1930s, an idea called eugenics arose, and it stated that it made people better adapted for their own environment through reproduction, and it applied to humanity. The Roosevelts and Winston Churchill supported it, but it was a dark mark on humanity because of its moral issues. But it still talked about making humanity better. Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, have become popular in recent years. They're also called splicers, and there has been a big proliferation of them since the 1980s. The first example is the Flavor Saver tomato, which is the first real transgenic plant. Another example is golden rice, which is rice and carrot put together. So basically it's rice with more nutritional value, and it's used for foreign aid in countries who don't have enough food to get enough nutrients. Animals who are GMOs are called chimeras. And an example is the glow-in-the-dark bunny, who actually glows in the dark through their skin. Franken salmon is another example, and it grows faster in colder water. Medical research could possibly fix disease, make people better, and extend longevity if we give it a chance. But bioethics kind of gets in the way. People who believe in the use of these technologies are called transhumanists, but the people who are a little concerned are called bioconservatives. I lean toward bioconservatism, but innovations like golden rice and franken salmon are extremely helpful to humanity. The line should be drawn when it comes to changing humans, though. Some medical advancement is acceptable, for instance, fixing disease, but cloning is not. If there is a possibility of a human not having a soul, the practice should not be used. Through the process of survival of the fittest, natural order is maintained. The weak do not make it, and the strong survive. Biotechnology does not need to interfere unless it can cure people who become ill or have life-threatening conditions. All in all, biotech is beneficial to society, though a line needs to be drawn with humans in mind.